What's going on, guys? My name is Keith and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about the Asics Gel-Kayano 14 and the colorway is Metallic and Plum. First, I just want to say that I got these Asics from Poison App, which is a platform dedicated to authentic products, specializing in verified sneakers, apparel, and accessories. I had heard about them before, but never had the chance to use their platform. It's super easy to use and will definitely be my new go-to. When it comes to these sneakers, they released in July of 2023. They definitely caught my eye when I first saw them. The overlays are done in a metallic and plum and features cream mesh on the underlays. This is a super clean and easy to wear colorway. The plum can really be seen when you have them out in the natural light. You have a Gel-Kayano 14 logo on the lateral side of the shoe's heel and Asics branding, which can be seen on the tongue. The Y2K style shoe sits atop a techie looking midsole that features Asics gel cushioning technology. Before getting these, the Jound metallic black pair was my favorite Gel-Kayano 14, but now I have to say I think these are my personal favorites. I really like that subtle touch of plum around the heel and the fact that they use cream mesh, which really took them to the next level for me. When it comes to sizing, comfort, and fit of the Asics Gel-Kayano 14, I go with a size 9.5. It's kind of funny, for the longest time, I would get a size 10 in all Asics. But then I realized that the size 9.5 actually fits me perfectly. I can still wear a size 10, but the 9.5 is just spot on. I think this pair looks absolutely incredible on feet. Super easy to wear and a very comfortable model. Also, if you guys were wondering about the pants I'm wearing, these are the utility cargo pants in dark gray, which will be releasing soon from my personal brand, Days Gone By, aka DGB. Make sure you subscribe to the mailing list on my website to get early access to the release. So yeah, what do you guys think about this pair? Is this the best Gel-Kayano 14 to release thus far? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
Dirty Beats.